Miyoy listing kun mga hena thabak piba ngamnaba lupa crore 400 henbagi loan gi senfam launanaba amadi chehi manga gi manungda singnaba sem sare haina Manipur gi Chief Minister and Birena Haikri. Planning Department gi meeting Makada Credit Guarantee Fund Trust for Micro and Small Enterprises, Ministry of MSME, Government of India amasung Small Industries Development Bank of India SIDBI ga kutsam naduna Manipur State Credit Guarantee Scheme MCGS hodokpagi thauram ama pangtokpada Chief Minister na wafum ase phongdokkibani. Ngasi North AOC da leiba Hotel Imphal by the Classic ki Sangai Holda pangthokiba scheme hodokpagi thauram aduda Chief Minister and Biren, Youth Affairs and Sport Minister Govindas Konthozam, Water Resources and Relief and Disaster Management ge Minister Awangbao Newmai, MLA Singh Thongam Santi, Khongbantabam Ibomcha, Kumukcham Joy Kisan, Khongkham Robindro, Thangzam Arun Kumar amasung Sagol Sem KB, Loinana Imphal East ki Deputy Commissioner Khumanthem Daina, Imphal West ki DC TH Kiran Kumar, Amadi Commerce and Industry Commissioner Pradeep Kumar Jana, Maru oiba guest oina saruk yaki. Manipur da thokliba irang asida mayum makai leitraba relief camp ta leiriba lanjen narakpa miyoi kunda lupa listing yankay gi MCGS scheme gi senfam khusinaki. Thauramadu mari leinana Chief Minister and Birena Hai Manipur da thokliba irang asigi warushin ama purakna ba hotnabada miyam punna amata oina hotnamina ba mathautai khanghaudana silakba nonglei nungshit amana thokhanba ising ichawgum lakhiba irang asi Nongmadi Chatki Gadaba Potsak Amani. Manipur Chahi Mari Mangagi Mamangda Leiramba Chakatpagi Kongchit Adu Amukhana Lakna Bahotnabada Amata Oibagi Wakalun Ama Sagatpa Tangai Fade Irang Tokli Haiduna Maduda Wakal Sontaduna Leibiyaroi Tokli Bairang Asi Matamgi Matung Ina Chatki Gani Haiki Ngasi Hodokliba Scheme Asi Maru Oina Skill Development Gi Lamda Kang Hairaba Amadi Tongan ba business ki lamda mai paklaba miyoi kuntra ni panda ahan batangka ki oina lupa listing yankay piba hawani. Loan si miyoi listing taragi mathagta pinana bahotnari amadi hauzik fawbagi oina miyoi chanigi process loire. Thabak tawriba lenga ki employees ting na hana suramba matam adudagi saruk ama hengatna subina basu Chief Minister Birena appeal tawki.
Relief camps in the displaced persons in the Marumpan, Punama, Simigi, entrepreneurs, media friends, I can Akoi state we were passing through a difficult time. When you am Punaman coming to Bukoi, Monsieur Punama unitely, Tangabatabani. Hangok the one only seat, Natsba Hangok the wishing is all. Lakpagumani, Masi, Saki get up a point. Chat Revsi, Amba, the Koimuk, a normal life, Manipurna, Matamamada, Nashidin say Mani Banata, Kimutanda, Lairamba, Madubi speed, diplomat, Adugai Masiel, emotional attachment, emotional integration, Adugai Kogi, Amatu, Bagi Wakalont, Maduakoi, Atuamat and the resort of Ramhonabani. That is why today's launching programs is taking place. Madam de koi don't ising chawre ising chaw to kina khal lag be ar ising chaw to chatkini but ekoi madu ki makeup to mun bhona bata
iBank amadi corneal transplantation license ki ayaba Pikrabanina tha asi loshilakpada thabak oina onthok hanaba thorang paikhatlagani amadi miyoi kayagi mit ki anaba phahanba ngamlagani haina Health and Family Welfare Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjana Haikri. Wafamasi ngasi Love Your Eyes at Work haiba hiramgi matangda National Program for Control of Blindness and Visual Impairment National Health Mission Manipur na sinduna kunmari suba World Sight Day gi thauram ama chingmairong da leiba Classic Grande da pangthokibada haikibani. Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan, Directorate of Health Services ke Director Dr. Khoirom Sasikumar Mangang NHM Manipur State Mission Director Dr. Somorjit Ningombam Amadi Health Services ke Hana Director Oiramba Dr. Y Yaimana Athoiba Mitung Singh Oiki Loinana mit ke anaba leiraba ahal singda anok lemna yentokhi Dr. Sapam Ranjanna makha taraduna haiki mit haibasi khwaidagi maru oiba organ amani mi amana hek poklakpadagi mit ki thabak asi adumak tawduna lai chawkalakpagi matung inna mipum khodimakna laptop mobile na chingba kaya sizinaduna screen mamangda leirabanina mit sokpagi chang hengalakpani lambi mataida tharaga yoliba anok sing asina ahal oiraba singki mit sokpagi chang henbagi mami adumak tai aduna yariba makai akhang ahai Dr. Singh tanadna isaga chanaba anok hapiduna punsi nungsangna leina bohotna biyu haiki miyoi bana ahal oisilakpada chada marifugi changda mit ubagi pangal mangi maram aduna mit fana thambina ba khwaidagi mit fana thambana khwaidagi afabani Chief Minister na haudoki ba mit ki lying haiba pandamgi makhada ngasidi NGO amadi private hospital singna support pibiduna Manipur gi 𝗓𝗏𝗄𝗏 thungna ngasidi mit lying bagi camp chathari mit sokpagi chang hantaba yana toina awareness piba mathau tai haina Dr. Ranjanna makhataki
I donate the 𝗓𝗏𝗏𝗘𝗏 pledge story, and many have come forward and pledged that they would donate their eyes. And I have also pledged to donate my eyes, which was I think it was 2 years back that I pledged. I've taken the pledge to donate my eyes to the 𝗬𝗏𝗔𝗨𝗡𝗗𝗏 eye donation or other whatever donations of the 𝗬𝗏𝗔𝗨𝗡𝗗𝗏. A lot of people should come forward to Manipur State Eye Bank yang atu matanda koi haubun namagani license for eye bank and corneal transplantation sigi license so koi license speaker and that's why some to Manipur represent government across every in the nook and corner of our state mayam bimunta so kana ba mo igani